Hi guys, it's Elaina. On this channel you find makeup tutorials, reviews, some of the glam makeup looks, artistic creative looks, face paint, drag looks, celebrity impersonations, you name it. Check out my channel for the rest of it. I've been on Painted with Raven Season 2. You can watch me at Wow Presents Plus. It's still out there. Well, taking that out of the way, this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm on Kimchichic PR list, and this is some of my favorite kimchi products. This is a full face of kimchi, but we're focusing on the Snatched style look. So you're gonna see a quick tutorial and what I used. I went back to Kimchi and Trixie and Holy Fairy Tale palettes, and that is it. If you're interested, keep on watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and ring notification bell. So let's get right into this. So I'm starting with Makeup Revolution Ultimate Eye Base in Light. It's still one of my favorite eye bases. It's very opaque, it's very smooth, it's not super dry, and I like it better than PLEs, to be honest. So everything goes on evenly. And then we're going with Kimchi and Trixie collab palette. Kind of have a love and hate relationship with that palette because there's too many neutrals, but I digress. The colors, the mattes are incredible, the bright mattes. So I'm going from purple, pink, orange, and yellow closer to the nose. All the warm tones. I just wanted something rainbow-ish, but a little different. So all the mattes are gonna be warm and all the shimmers are gonna be cool. And now we're going with Holy Fairy Tale palette. Now this palette is one of my favorites. I just love all the pastels and they're more bright than pastels in it, so it kind of serves the purpose. Just blend out all the bright shades. And we got the crease real quick with the same Makeup Revolution base. And going with the shimmers. The Kimchi shimmers, blue and green. And Holy Fairy Tale is purple, so I just want to do the cool tone shimmers. I would say Kimchichic and Trixie. Those shimmers are creamier and brighter, but it's a bright palette. And the purple is a little bit light, so you'll see what I did later. This is the Beauty Bay Gel Liner, and I've been a big fan lately. I really like the way it goes on. It dries by itself, or I can just set it. I'm pretty much drawing this big eye shape, so it's very uneven sketch, but then we're gonna clean it up later, just to make it black. And we're using Spinning Hearts blacks. Those two are so good. One of the blacks has a little purple tint to it, so I use that too. And the Holy Fairy Tale purple matte goes to blend the purple light shimmer, so I kind of make it a little darker in outer corners, so it's all blended together. So using Midas Cosmetics water activated paints, cake liner pretty much, to make it more even and more sharp. So as you might have figured out, I'm filming two videos in one. This is actually a review of kimchi powder, and this already came out. I'm gonna put this video after. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm filming obviously on the same day. But this is the eye look. Just a quick tutorial, pretty much, voiceover. And this the two palettes, as you saw in the voiceover, the Kimchi and Trixie and the Holy Fairy Tale. And I also used a little bit of blacks from the Hearts palettes. So yeah, it's really pretty. The palettes always work. I love the Holy Fairy Tale. It's one of my favorites. And surprisingly, there's no black, but if you use black from the other palette, this has everything you need because it's like ultimate rainbow palette and has depths too. So it's not just pastels. Like to me, like has a purple, has a deep color here, deep berry, a great green, a great yellow. I mean, it's everything. And Kimchi and Trixie, it's a nice palette. It's not my favorite because it's too much brown to me. Like this is unnecessary, but like I said before, but the glitter formula is great. The brights are amazing, like everything from Kimchi, and I already destroyed it. Some of it I used glitter on my cheeks here, I used glitter on my brow bone. I used everything: Kimchi foundation, highlighter, concealer, powder. I mean, everything on my face is kimchi, pretty much. Not a single product is, except for the gel liner, excuse me. I use gel liner from Beauty Bay, and the white is Inglot. So the rest is kimchi. So this is the look. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's pretty simple considering it's like it took me no time to do, but it's very effective. It's very snatched, just right up my alley. The eyelashes are kimchi as well, paired with 301s, because I felt like with the shape you needed this lift. So there you go. So let me know what you guys think. Like this video, comment, subscribe to my channel, ring notification bell, and follow me on social media. All the links are down below. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!